Hello everyone. So I want to explain on this topic limit of a function. Okay. So first thing, how we write limit of a function. So it is often written as limit fx when x tends to a is equal to L. Okay. It is read as the limit of fx as x approaches a is L. Now we consider one example. Let us see this function fx equal to, look at this, twice x when x less than 3, fx equal to 9 when x equal to 3, and fx equal to twice x when x greater than 3. Okay, and this is the example of a piecewise function. Okay, and the function, that is function defined in several pieces. And when we plot this function in this graph, we can see that this is the point 3. Okay, and we can see less than 3, the graph of a function is this one. Okay, and this is approaches to value 6. And at equal to 3, this value is at 9. See, at x equal to 3 it is 9. And greater than 3, when it is greater than 3, you can see greater than 3 means it is suppose you are approaching from 7 or 8. Okay, approaching here, so this value is gradually increasing. But if we approach from this side, okay, it is coming near to this point nothing but 6. So from this graph it is clear that from the left hand side we are approaching the function is approaching the value 6, and from the right hand side also for the function is approaching to the value 6. Okay, that is the concept about left hand limit and right hand limit. So, okay, and here limit is equal to 6 in this case. Okay, now then let us have this example. This is a function fx. Okay, this is given by x minus 2 by x square plus x minus 6, and we are going to find the limit at x tends to 2. Okay, which can be written like this: limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by x square plus x minus 6. Okay, and generally what we do, usually we put the value 2 here, and we see the plot the value 2 and see the value. And when you plot 2 here, we can see that it is of the form 0 by 0, which is not infinity, which is it to be undefined. Okay, and the fraction 0 by 0 is not infinity, and it is not 1 also, it is not defined actually. Okay, we cannot ever divide by 0 in normal arithmetic and get some sensible answer. So we say plot a table where we this function value we just obtain. This function value can be determined at some value less than 2 and greater than 2. Here we have taken some point. Look at this table, 2.001, 2.01, 2.1, like that, and here we have some value less than 2. Okay, and we get the function value at this point, and we can see that the function value approaching to 0.2, nearly to 0.2 from the, you can see from the left hand side, and from the right hand side it is approaching to 0.2 also. Okay, so in this case the limit is nothing but 0.2. Okay, and at 2 it is undefined. Okay, we cannot get any value at 2. Now look at this example. We can see the function is given as x less than 2 it is x equal to 2 it is minus 1, x greater than 2 it is x plus 3. And if we plot this function in the graph, we can see that from the left hand side, when we approach to 2, we get that the limit is near to 2, and for the right hand side, when we approach from the right hand side, that is greater than 2, the plot point, it is approaching to 5, and therefore left hand limit is 2 and right hand limit is 5. So therefore limit, left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, therefore limit does not exist. Okay, thank you.